Hey guys, welcome to the 199th C# tutorial that I'm making for the new Boston. And in this tutorial we're going to be looking at the ICloneable interface. So all you're going to need for this tutorial is a button, a string, and you're also going to need to have a class. And inside of your class, just make sure that you have a string property. You can name it anything you want. Alright, so before we can actually look at using the ICloneable interface, we're first going to have to look at what the clone method does. So the clone method will basically just return an exact copy of the object that you called it from. For example, if we were to clone my name right here, we just say myname.clone, this clone method will basically just return an exact copy of my name. So if we were to create a new string and set it equal to myname.clone, the value of my name, which is Adam, will be the same as whatever we set this equal to. So if we were to just say right here, string clone equals myname.clone, clone and my name will both be equal to Adam since we just cloned my name. And since this clone method returns an object, we're just going to have to convert it into a string. So we're just going to cast it as a string right here. Alright, so now clone and my name are both equal to Adam. So if we were to display in a message box my name, clone, then it would be Adam, since my name equals Adam, and we just cloned my name and set that equal to clone. Alright, so let's just debug here and make sure that it works. Yep, Adam. Perfect. Alright, so once again, this clone method will basically just return an exact copy of my name. And that works for everything, or every class that the ICloneable interface is implemented in. Alright, so let's actually look at how to clone our own classes or our own objects. So the first thing that you're going to want to do right here is inherit from the ICloneable interface. So you're just going to want to put a colon after your class name and then just write ICloneable right after it. Alright, and the ICloneable interface only has one method inside of it, and that's clone. So we're just going to say public object. Since we actually have to return something, we're going to actually return a copy of this class right here. So we're just going to call this clone, and we don't need any input from the user. Alright, now you're probably thinking, well, how are we going to actually clone our object? Well, we could create a new myClass and set the name property equal to the name property inside of this class, but there's a way easier way. What we could do is just say return this. And remember, this is basically just our class right here. So if someone were to create an instance of our class right here and set the name property equal to Adam, then it would return an exact copy of my class. So the name property inside of this would be Adam as well. Alright, so let's just make sure that this works right here. We'll just go ahead and create a new instance of my class, call it MC, and set it equal to a new my class. And then we just say mc.name equals Adam. And then if we were to just clone MC, it would be the same as MC. So if we were to just go right here and say my class clone class equals mc.clone, then my clone class and MC are the exact same. Therefore, the name property inside of clone class and MC are the exact same. And once again, this method returns an object, so we're going to have to convert it into my class. So we're just going to cast that as my class right here. And then we're just going to display the name property of this class in a message box. So we're just going to say right here, message box.show clone class.name. And we should just get Adam in a message box because, once again, we set the name property of MC equal to Adam. And then we just cloned that MC class and set it equal to clone class. So we should just get Adam in a message box. Yep, perfect. Alright, and returning this will work for anything. So if you had like 100 properties, it would work just the same. Alright, so that's pretty much it for this tutorial on using the ICloneable interface. So, see you guys.